Hi, my name is Shayleshaan Vijayen. My matrix number is 204626. The oldest communication device which I found is a radio. So the radio which I found is the JVC brand. The model number is PCRM100W. The picture below is the photo of the radio. So now let me show you the radio in real. So this is the radio which I found in my house as a communication device. So this radio is manufactured in year 1983. So this radio I've been seeing in my home since I was very young, and I personally have used this to listen to radio station. So you can just simply select which radio station you want by just tuning here at which frequency you need, and you can listen to the radio. So here's the antenna to receive the radio transmitter, and then here are the volume keys, bass, treble, how much do you need, and then you can select do you need FM or AM. Personally, here the radio station for news and also listening songs. I would like to actually demonstrate, but unfortunately it's not working anymore, so I can't demonstrate. And so that's all. Now let us look into the history of radio broadcasting and also how the radio broadcasting works. History of radio broadcasting. It is generally recognized that the first radio transmission was made from a temporary station set up by Guglielmo Marconi in 1895 on the east of Wight, which is an island in England. Now let us look into how does radio broadcasting system works. Beginning with the basics, radio broadcasting performs as a single transmission that is carried through radio waves, which is intention of reaching an audience. This wireless transmission is actually electromagnetic energy, which is radio waves, that is transferable through space, allowing information, which is sound, to travel while it is modulated. These radio waves then come into contact with an electrical conductor that causes certain field to emit an alternating current where the waves can be transformed into original form. In order for this process to take place, there must first be a radio transmitter that can manipulate sound, which is possibility of taking on multiple forms of modulation. An interesting component to radio is that there are different signal waves that can be transmitted. This is where AM and FM radio is derived. AM radio or amplitude modulation differs from FM radio or frequency modulation because it varies the strength of the signal in conjunction with the size of information that is being transmitted. This was the original form of radio. FM radio varies the frequency of the signal, meaning that the immediate frequency from the carrier will always be proportionate to the immediate strength of the input signal. The next component of the radio broadcasting is the antenna, whose job is to both send and receive electrical current and radio waves. A broadcasting system can only work with if it has an antenna that can emit the transmission. So when tuning the radio to select your favorite station, it is key to know that it is the electrical resonance that allows the user to pick a radio station. Once the radio station receiver has obtained the information from the antenna, it is able to convert to the desired projection, whether that be sound, pictures, digital media, etc. A radio broadcasting system can only work with necessary radio equipment, such as the transmitter and receiver, with both having an antenna and necessary essential like a microphone or loudspeaker. So next, I found a data sheet of this radio. So from that data sheet, I found two circuits. So first is the tuner circuit. So this a tuner is a subsystem that receives radio frequency RF transmission and converts the selected carrier frequency and it associated bandwidth into a fixed frequency that is suitable for further processing. So from this tuner circuit, then it will go to another circuit, which is amplifier circuit. So an amplifier is an electronic device or circuit which is used to increase the magnitude of the signal applied to the input. Then this is also connected to the radio speaker as an output to be listened by the user. So that's all from me about the communication device. Thank you.